In the ancient land where the sun rose over magnificent palaces, lived a curious young explorer named Darius, with a special golden hand-shaped amulet. One morning, Darius woke up to find his amulet glowing and pulling him toward an old map of the Persian Empire on his bookshelf. As Darius touched the map with his golden hand amulet, he was magically transported back in time to the magnificent city of Persepolis. In Persepolis, Darius met Roxana, a clever young girl who worked as a messenger on the royal road. "Welcome to Persepolis. I've been waiting for someone with a golden hand. Our king rules over many different peoples, languages, and traditions. We call him the King of Kings because he respects all cultures in our empire." Roxana took Darius to see the grand New Year celebration wall paintings that needed repair. These paintings show people from all parts of our empire bringing gifts to the king. Darius held up his golden amulet and it began to glow, revealing the original colors and patterns of the faded wall paintings. "Amazing!" exclaimed Roxana. "Now let me show you how we send messages across our vast empire." She led Darius to the royal road, where messengers were preparing to depart. "This is our special delivery system. Our messengers can travel the entire empire in just days," Roxana explained as they watched messengers changing horses at a station. Darius helped organize packages and messages, carefully placing scrolls and small parcels into special waterproof bags for the messengers. Roxana showed Darius a clay tablet with strange wedge-shaped marks. Those are cuneiform writings. They record taxes paid by different regions. As Darius decoded the ancient tax records, he learned how the empire kept track of goods from wheat and livestock to gold and spices from different regions. Before returning to his time, Darius and Roxana visited the grand audience hall where kings once received visitors from across the known world. "Remember," said Roxana, "the Persian Empire was built on respect for all peoples and their ways of life." With new knowledge about this amazing ancient civilization, Darius felt his amulet growing warm. In a flash of golden light, he returned to his room. Back in his room, Darius looked at his map of Persepolis, which now seemed more alive than ever. He couldn't wait to share what he had learned about the Golden Age of Persia.